Hi, it's Lisa here and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So today is Saturday the 21st of November and it's supposed to be a really sunny day, but it's a bit cloudy. But anyway, today we're going to Lake Coleridge. So we've not been there before. It's kind of near Mount Hutt, so it's about an hour and a half's drive from where we live. So we're hopefully going to go up Peak Hill. So I've had recommendations that once you get up there, it's a fabulous view. So really looking forward to that. So anyway, I'll show you some photos and videos along the way. Well, as you can probably see and hear on that video, it is pretty windy here. It's not very pleasant standing outside, just going to get blown away. But we have gone to Lake Evelyn, so that was really pretty. And we're now going back to Lake Coleridge to find how to get there. And yeah, probably just stay, have a picnic. Probably won't really do any walking, we'll see. And then yeah, I'll show you some videos. So as you can see, the roads around Lake Coleridge and around the area are all gravel roads, so really does your suspension in on your car. So we're back home, it's now the next day, and yesterday's adventure to Lake Coleridge kind of ended pretty quickly because it was so windy. We could not walk, we could not sit outside and have our lunch. We just literally sat in the van, did a 5-minute walk and took some videos and photos that you saw, but pretty much just left it. So we're going to do that another day, but I hope you enjoyed some of the scenery that I was able to show you, and I'll hopefully show you some more next time. So if you did like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!